Today we have the tab, which model is A515. Okay, so this is tab A7, 8-inch. We're gonna replace the screen. This is Samsung, so we're gonna change the screen today for this tab. Here is the new screen. Okay, this is the new screen, and I will show you how to change the screen for this tab today. Okay, keep it with me.
You can use a card or something like this to remove.
Apply some more heat to the edges of the screen, so this adhesive can leave its ground. So here we open this. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to remove these stickers. Like this. Yes. And slowly you can make it like this for your easy. You can make it like this. Okay, so now you will remove these two connectors, 1 and 2. You will see the screen because we have support like this. Okay, so we have to remove this also, this one. It's very easy, so we can remove this also on the downside. It's perfect. Okay, so here is the old screen. Now I will put the new screen and show you how to put it. Bye, Shireen. So here is the screen, starting Android. Everything is working perfect. Okay, the tab is little bit slow, but somehow it will work. Check the touch. Yes, it's working perfectly from every side. You must put any screen on any Samsung, you have to check like this. that everything is working. Alhamdulillah, everything is working perfect. Now we will fix it.